What's up guys, this is your boy Akram Ali and you are watching Tech for Test. Today's video is a bit crazy because we are going to do Coca-Cola test on these two devices. One is Redmi 9 and second one is Redmi 9C. These are entry-level budget devices and no one would dare to put them in a bowl or jar of Coca-Cola, but I thought I should do it so you people get to know that the phones with the less price tags are durable or not. But this would be more of a realistic Coca-Cola test because I'll be putting them for maybe a minute or for 90 seconds. So 60 to 90 seconds would be the full duration. We'll be checking touch, cameras and sound if they survive after the Coke test. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that red subscribe button and press the bell icon. So I'm super excited for this test, so let's just move to it. Alright guys, so we have Redmi 9 here with us. So they are already on, but just for the formality, I'm going to take them out from the box, and this is the device right now. I'm gonna put it here. It's on, it's working, everything is perfectly fine. It's taking pictures right now, its buttons are working, so I'm gonna put it right there. So next is Redmi 9C, and let me just get it out for you guys. This is on as well, just to save the time. So it's working as well. Camera, everything, buttons, everything is totally working fine. All right, so before I set up, let me just make sure everything is right. Okay, so like I said, the Coke test would be for 1 minute or 1.5 minutes. So before I pour my Coke into this, I'll be starting the timer. So yeah, that's fine. All right, so this crazy stuff is almost happening right now. Right, I think before I drink one, I should put another one into this. Right. So these phones have no IP rating at all. So make sure you do not try this at home, and Talha is right in front of us and he looks quite good. By the way, he's the guy who makes sure that videos are top notch and up to the mark. So a big shout out to Talha. Alright guys, so 42 seconds and right now, so like I was saying, please do not try this at home. The phones have no splash resistance. They have got no IP rating at all. They are below $100 devices. They are entry-level devices. You cannot do this to these devices. But for educational purpose, I thought I should, make a video to you guys to have a look that if these devices are having any durability at all. So till now they are working, and I'm gonna get them out at 1 minute and 40 seconds. Until then, let's see if they are working or not. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that red button and press the bell icon. Also, you can follow me on Instagram with the URL instagram.com, and my ID is Akram Ali 1. So it's AKRAMALI and 1 as a digit. Okay, so and make sure you subscribe my channel, and I'm not going to repeat this again and again. So we are almost at the 2-minute mark. Right, so before I do anything else, let me just clean them up a bit. Though they are working right now, and the touch is also working. Wow, this looks quite amazing. Can I get that thing, please? One phone has started vibrating, by the way. Okay, I'll go one by one. I'm gonna put it back again. This is crazy, man. Alright guys, so we have Redmi 9 and Redmi 9C right after the Coke test. I've just cleaned them up. So let's see if they are working or not. So if we talk about the touch, touch is fine. Yeah, it looks good on both of the devices, and everything is working pretty much fine. Alright, if we go to the cameras of both devices, then they are taking, okay, my phone is vibrating. Their camera results are totally fine, and if we talk about their selfie cameras, I don't know who's texting me right now, but there I am, and they are good to go too. So surprisingly, they are working fine up till now. And let's check the volume rockers of both the devices. Yes, they are working totally fine. So power buttons are good as well. Alright guys, so the main test is sound test. Though I've cleaned up the devices just to be sure, and I did that thing, and now maybe there was coke into the speakers, but let's see if the sound is working or not. Alright guys, you could feel that it had coke inside it, but still they are pretty much loud. Redmi 9 is doing good. It has a bit of a coke left inside, but it's still working. And remember, these are the devices which are entry-level smartphones, and someone is texting me and they don't know I'm recording a video. Alright, so I'm gonna go for another sound test on Redmi 9C. Audio is silenced. Okay, no audio is up. Alright guys, this phone is almost gone because I think it got the coke inside it. It's not working anymore, but touch and everything else is working. So for a device which is like $100 or less than that, these phones have, this Redmi 9 have cleared the coke test, and this phone is pretty much working right now. It's just that the sound didn't work because it has this headphone type of thing. Maybe my camera is a bit more blurry, but right now you can see that. So this is the problem. I don't have the charging setup here, but otherwise I would have charged them as well. So this is the coke test for Redmi 9 and Redmi 9C. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. See you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.